Hello, I'm Will Sampson from Cabinet Maker and FDM Magazine. We're in the shop today to talk about the new Drill Doctor drill sharpener that also has capacity for doing spade bits. And if you're not familiar with it, the Drill Doctor is a very popular and simple system for sharpening drill bits. It works great on twist bits, and this machine, I'll zoom in here so you can see, also works on twist bits. You just put the bit into a little collet fixture, and you stick it in here to align it and tighten it down. And you put it in here, turn on the machine. And there you have your sharp bit. So you can see it only takes a few seconds. It's a similar situation with the spade bits, and it works on both the chisel type bits and the bits with spur on the edge. You sharpen it by sticking a bit into this fixture here. Then you put it into the machine. Slide it in. And adjust the machine so that it's the right angle. And then you lock the bit. Turn on the machine, and this works on a clutch that it doesn't engage the motor until you push down on it. So turn on. And you drive it, you move this trigger lever that I'm operating to move the bit back, move the grinder wheel back and forth to cut the chisel side. And then you put it on the other side and do it again. And that's really all there is to it. These units go for $100, $120, depending on the vendor, and comes with just what you see here. Considering the relatively low cost, it wouldn't take long to pay back the cost of one of these in what you're probably already spending in replacement bits if you're not resharpening your bits. And as you can see, it only takes a few seconds to do, so it's definitely something worth checking out. Well, that's all we've got for today. Thanks for watching.